Something that I've been promoting all the time with buffalo, with bison in terms of conservation, is that we need to bring the dignity back to the bison. All the collaborations that we are having through the Bison program from American Prairie with the rest of the bison world, our relationship with the tribes is getting better and better every day, every year, and we hope to have a more interaction with them to improve the tribal herds in terms of genetic, in terms of knowledge, in terms of management. We learn every day something different about bison. There's no such a thing as bison expert, but we do all that we can to get better every day, and we have a hope to share that knowledge. So I'm really excited for that. We are trying to expand the herd. Our hope is to bring more acres to the program and more bison to the program. Right now we have almost 60,000 acres, which is really impressive to see bison herds without any fence grazing in that amount of space. You can feel really the wilderness in the middle of nowhere, in the sea of grass and the coulees. Actually, every time that we are working bison up there, it's really inspirational.